So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button and just right click to type. You enter your motherboard require the driver, then hit enter. Z790 Eagle. Then click to product. Then you can see this is 1x, AX and 10 fact that to click any installation process almost same. Almost means 100% same. You select that if you have to. Then click to support. Select your first you can see the operating system. So if you have Windows 10, 11, any, so you can select any which is you have using. So because the installations process same. Okay. So automatically installed chipset driver. So install this one, install NFC. Just click to download. It will done. Just single click to open, and then double click to open, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Wait few seconds. Then it is done and close it.